How to fix OneDrive error on Windows 10. So if you're having the OneDrive issue, or maybe it's not opening for some particular reason, it'll give you some kind of error code messages, then in that case you can simply solve it by uninstalling and reinstalling OneDrive. To uninstall OneDrive, you can go to your search bar and simply open up Control Panel. Once you open Control Panel, under the Programs tab, you want to go to uninstall a program, and from here you simply want to search for OneDrive. In my case, I have already uninstalled OneDrive, so you're not seeing here. But if you have OneDrive still, you can select that and click on the uninstall button right at the top. Now, once you've uninstalled OneDrive, we will reinstall if you still want to use OneDrive by going to your Microsoft Store. Once you head over to your Microsoft Store, you can simply search for the OneDrive application, and here you'll be able to see a OneDrive from Microsoft Corporation. So you have to simply click on the Get button that you'd be able to find to re-enable all of your OneDrive features from Microsoft Windows. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.